What up, what up? Hey man, we got a cool build. And it's not a Silverado, can you believe that? Woo, it's about time. We're gonna be working on this Toyota Tundra. Pretty cool stuff, audio control, morel. What can you say? The goodies, you know the goodies. This is what makes shit pop. We're doing clean wire club on this one, so OCD people, sit down, relax, and enjoy. Because we're about to put some wires together, and it's gonna be a lot. All right, follow me, let's go check out the truck. Oh, and this is the bad girl right here. Check it out. These light bars and lights, we need to go ahead and put them on the switcher right here. Okay, which will take care of that. Check out the room we're working with, the back. So we're gonna be putting two 13-inch JL woofers. On that side, hold on, let me see if I can get you some more light. On this side, we're gonna have the box, and on that side, they're gonna try to make the amp rack. We want it to look really good. We want it to look like it belongs there, so we'll have them work on that. We're gonna be changing the front speakers to those three-way kits. We're gonna be sound treating the whole doors. We're gonna be also installing this switch right here, somewhere like that. Kind of flush it in there, and yeah. Wish us luck, guys. We're gonna start this build, and the one to work on it is gonna be Cocho. All right, and here's the product. We got 4 amplifiers, 1 for each subwoofer, a 4-channel for the highs, another 4-channel for the highs. These do have the DSP built in. I don't know how we're gonna utilize that, but we'll figure it out. And the morels, I believe these are gonna be, so this is for the fronts, for the rears, and it's all good. Cool? All right, guys, wish us luck, wish us luck. Yeah, my boy Omar about to do the sound dent in there. Look at it, we got all the doors off. About to put some sound dent in there. Omar. They said, Omar, not to get in. So, fuck. Why? ¿Por qué mi, pompa? All right, so we gotta get this to fit these switches. So we're gonna take this piece that was in there, remove it, try to install this piece, see, along with the bass knobs, right, Omar? Mm-hmm. So if Omar can get that to work, we'll be sitting pretty. I believe in you, boy. I believe you can do it. With a little help from Junior, I'm pretty sure we can get it done. The GoPro is not even working, but it's okay. The box is in, wires are over there. Let's get the GoPro working so we can watch him on the time lapse. All right, so this is a cool little switcher thing. See, they have these plugs. They're gonna plug right in to all the devices, which they got stickers right here. You put your off-road lights, your rock lights. Super cool stuff. They got harnesses, plugs. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is gonna be the switcher that controls those lights from the phone, wirelessly. Look at that. Let's give it to Omar. I know. Here you go, Omar. There's some more. Just in case you have to make some more cables. Thanks, Omar. I like that way. Chingón. Shout out to my boy right here. Came all the way from Lancaster just to get a little setup. Shoosh, look at this little baby woofer too. Okay, so they're discussing it now. So we'll put it on a time lapse, watch it, and we'll have them take care of this bad boy right here. Man, about time, man. No more Chevys. Just kidding, guys. We still love you, Chevy gang. Later. Now I'm gonna ask you guys to sit back while we wire up the amp in the vehicle and put some more of that Lumi stuff and make it look cool. Man. And now they're gonna start the pillars, which Cocho's gonna handle that. He's gonna tackle that right now. Cocho, do your damn thing, boy. What's up, guys? So check it out. Today's the end of the week. What's up, guys? Check it out. I got the Toyota here. We're gonna go over it, do a little overview. And I haven't been here. I was in and out during this build, but Junior took care of it. Got a lot of footage, so you guys got to see that. So I wasn't here fully, but they did an amazing job. So let's go look at it, see what it looks like, and you guys can probably, you're pretty much looking at it like me for the first time. I've seen it here and there, but now we're gonna go do a full look around. Let's check it out. Here she is right there. Okay, so here is the pillars, so you guys can get a nice look. I really like the way these came out. They look awesome. See that? The grill cloth in behind it. This is the radio. We went with the Kenwood. The customer brought this to me. He brought me the speakers. We just built the pillars, and then we built the switch too. Check this out. So this holds the bass knobs. Okay. So that's gonna hold the bass knobs. So this is like the epicenter. this is the epicenter, and this one is the base knob. Then it holds the switches too, which the switches are wired up for the for these lights up here. So it's magnetic, and it goes right there. And once you use it, isn't that dope? USB from the factory is right there. So yeah, let's see if we can get a sound demo. Oh wow, check that out. That clean wire job. You know, we put on an amp rack. We built these amp racks. Yeah, man, I like this. This looks good. There's the fuse holder or the distribution block on that side. There's the two 13-inch woofers. You can go to the other side and check them out. So here's the other side. You guys can see the box looks like. Come on, good. There's two woofers. All right, we're at the end, man. That's the end of the video. Wow, that was a lot of work. Brian, thank you for giving me the opportunity to work on the truck. Thanks for hooking me up with the new screen to do my editing, which I'll be editing with that screen next week. Brian, you the man. He also bought us lunch, which was awesome, guy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. He didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. Guys, comment, like, subscribe. You know we're taking care of the vehicles. We know we're getting new builds all the time. What's next? I don't know. We'll see. But hey, come on down to the audio system and we'll help you out. Junior, want to say goodbye? What'd you like about the Tundra?
Everything, bro. Sounded good. Had a really good bass.
Smooth?
It was very smooth, very easy to listen to because those speakers are not like super bright. So they were really easy to listen to. It's not ear fatiguing or anything like that. It was smooth.
Nice. Guys, don't forget to see the full demo on our IG, which the link will be down below. Peace!